It's 3 a.m. You're awake. You are not thinking about the future, a decision you made or failed to make. This feeling, it has a name: regret. It is a ghost, a heavy chain that anchors you, a prison you build for yourself. But what if you could break that chain? A 17th century warrior who lived and died by the consequences of his actions. In 1645, Miyamoto Musashi had fought 61 duels and had known a life of brutal, permanent decisions. He wrote a short, powerful text, the Dokkōdō. His sixth principle is a command. This is not a call for a lack of conscience. Musashi is not telling you to become a sociopath. It is one of the most profound strategic insights into the human mind. Think of it. You cannot change the past. Regret is the energy you spend trying to fight a battle that is already over. To Musashi, a warrior who lives in the present, regret is a fatal indulgence. He would be dead. He had to learn from it instantly and move to the next moment. Regret is the act of reliving a failure. Learning is the act of analyzing it. Regret says, "I am terrible." Learning says, "I see the mistake." Regret is a second arrow, one that you fire into yourself. Dodge the second arrow. So, how do we apply this? 3 practical tools. First, extract the lesson. Ask yourself one question. What is the lesson here? Once you have the lesson, the rest is just dust. Second, separate the event from the judgment. The event is, I lost my job. The judgment is, I am a worthless failure. And third, take a new, immediate action. The ultimate antidote to past paralysis is present action. Action is the sword that cuts the chains of regret. Miyamoto Musashi walked a solitary path, could not be burdened by the ghosts of his own past. Regret is a choice. Learning is also a choice. The past is a classroom. Do not choose to live there. Do not regret what you have done. Learn from it and walk on.